Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob here. Welcome to ThreadBanger. Haven't seen all of you in a little while, and for good reason. It's been crazy. It's been crazy out there. I'm gonna just give it 30 seconds. There's a rule here on YouTube. You gotta wait 30 seconds before you can curse. We're almost there. Thanks for bearing with me. 3, 2, 1. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. My neighbor is doing he's mowing the lawn right now, so I've decided to scream right now. Ah! Just so I could be drowned out. I think Corinne's in the garden. Ah! Holy shit. Ah! Oh, god damn it. Oh, that felt good. How you doing? What the f is happening? There hasn't been a video on this channel in a couple months because I, like you, like me, us, everyone, like the whole goddamn world has been losing their mind. Barely keeping it together on this side of the camera, but I'm turning it all around. I've recently regained control of my life, which for the last 2 months has wildly and ridiculously spun out of control. Not sure if anyone saw that last video that I put up on the channel, but I'm pretty sure that was a cry for help. We're all gonna fucking die! Oh, how long are we gonna be here? How long are we gonna do this? How long are we gonna do this? A goddamn peeper cheaty! A fucking peeper cheaty! But I'm pretty sure I'm on the other side of it now. I'm going into nearly 100 days of quarantine, and I'm kind of getting used to it. With 100 days of quarantining, you know what that means? Not having a haircut for 100 days. That's what this is what that looks like. It's now become a lot of hair. It's itchy, it's long, it's just a mess. I look like shit. I could definitely, obviously, like, do something, like, about that. And that's what today's video is about. I have been waiting 2 months for this. This is just a hair trimmer. It's been on back order along with every other hair cutting tool because everyone's cutting their hair at home and has ordered one. I actually went on Instagram and I asked some of you what you would like to see. Someone suggested that I do a backwards mohawk, reverse mohawk, and I thought about it, but then I thought about contracting COVID-19 and being in the hospital and then dying like that and having that be my hairdo. Nope. So I think I'm just gonna go with a mohawk. I've actually never had a mohawk, and I was thinking about this idea. Maybe I just keep like a quarantine mohawk, and then we just see how long it gets throughout the whole thing. How a pandemic mohawk that could just be going on for years. I'd say that I get my hair cut, you know, like usually every 6 weeks. I go to, you know, a barberess, a hair cuttery. With a haircuttress? A hair artist? That's not it's barber lady? I don't know. And then here's the other thing. This is one issue up top, and then I got this. I haven't even done anything with this. This is gross. I have like the worst facial hair growth patterns ever. There's these little splotches of hair, these gray patches now that I'm old. There wasn't a lot of that. Like, what the f***? Where's this cat all of a sudden come from? Did you come to say hello? Jesus. You need to stay down there. I'll shear you, motherfucker. Yeah. Better run away. What was I saying? Yeah, I gotta get this stuff off my face. Start with that. It's a nightmare. Ow. I've never used this tool before. It's very phallic. I can't imagine it being that hard. That's what she said. Ayo! And there are safety guards. Let's get into those. They got numbers on them and stuff. And that's the thing. You start off with like a bigger one, and then you work your way down to a smaller one until you're comfortable with what you want. That's what she said. Ayo! I'm gonna grab this one. Whoa. Shit's flying all over the place. Gotta close my eyes. I need like a fucking protective shield. Did that do anything? It's still there. What the fuck? I don't know. I don't think that's cutting it. Let's just see if it just all comes off. Well, you think that you're gonna like, ooh, Jesus Christ, that looks weird. Ooh, I just don't have a mustache anymore. Let's get the rest of this off. Wow, just like that. Why am I making this video? I don't know. Maybe I'll just fast forward. That's good. That's cool, right? I can just do that. Wow. Look at this clean shaven son of a bitch. Still got a little stubble here that says, hey, I'm in the apocalypse. I don't know what to do about this. This looks like pubic hair. I'm gonna maybe just save this for something. All right, now I'm thinking mohawk. What did we say? Mohawk? We're gonna do mohawk? Because who gives a shit? All right, I'm starting off with this number something. That is already a lot of hair. That's what we're doing. Oh God, I can feel the breeze already. All right, okay. Whoops. Now it sounds like I'm mowing the grass back here. What's happening back there? Can you see anything? Woo! This is like impossible to see, and like in the mirror. Is this fitting in a bed? I don't know. Where's all the hair going? I think this is a bad idea. Hold on. I have no idea how the back looks, but voila. Well, you give it a little shake, and then you can put it down, throw it off to the side for a cool little Euro look. You can do that with it. You can do that with it. Oh wow! And you could do that with it. That's fun. Got a little bit of wax here. Throw some of that in. Looks pretty good to me. Uh-oh, here comes Corinne. Come on in.
It looks good. Curly Q here.
How do they do at the back? I need you to maybe touch me up.
Oh God, I'll touch you up. Are you sure you want me to be doing this?
No. Smells like you've been drinking. I don't know if I want you to. I think I'll take the. I think I'll take the clippers back. No. No.
Wait, aren't there like guards?
Okay, I got both my ears, thank God. Okay, alright, thank you. But I feel good about this. I look better. I feel better. This looks fine. This looks great. And you get a little comb up in here. Boom. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. Now we gotta measure it. From the base of the skull to the tip. And it looks like that is registering at just a little under 3 inches. I'm gonna give it 3 inches, which is pretty pathetic to start, but you know, it's a start. So mark it, 3-inch Quarantine Mohawk. If you want to get in on this action and join in on the fun with me, let's just see how high we can get. You know what I mean? And then boom, you can comb it that way. Give it a little one of those when you're going out. Nowhere, because nothing's open, or everything's open, but everyone's dying, so you don't want to go out. Or you can give it a little one of these. But when you want to go to the kitchen for something special. But I imagine, for the most part, it'll probably look like this for me. That looks fine. Oh, you could do like a cool split mohawk. Check that out. This could be a style, like little devil horns. Being this stupid is exhausting. Let me know what you think about the hair down in the comments below. I'm sure you get something to say about it. I'm itchy, which means I gotta shower now. Ugh, look at all this hair. Am I right? Jesus, it's gross. What do you do with that? Do I send it to people? Do you want any of this? Do you want to like make any like weird Rob Voodoo dolls? Whatever you kids do with it. TikTok? Let me know. I don't know. Let me know. All right. I just wanted to give you an update and let you know everything's going all right here in ThreadBanger land, even though madness is just erupting. Corinne's got videos going up on her personal channel. She's doing a bunch of gardening stuff. But I'm about to go shoot another video right after this one. You're gonna love it. In the meantime, go catch up on some old ThreadBanger episodes. We've got thousands of them. We love you guys. We hope you're keeping safe. And we'll see you next time. You know, I've never really actually gone like this short on the sides. And the reason being is my ears. I've always just thought my ears were too big. Just my ears. I just thought my ears stuck out. My whole life, I've just had like an ear complex. It's why I like tuck my ears into my hat when I wear a hat. This is a little unnerving for me to have this much like ear space in between my head and this. But I don't know. I'm gonna try to get used to it. F it. I have an ear complex, everybody. Alright. The hat's going on. Oh goddamn thing's a disaster. Alright. Woo! I'm glad we got that out of the way.